I'm going to show you one of my favorite makeup looks to create that perfect lit from within glow. So I find the perfect way to get that really truly natural glow starts with the skincare. This is the Illuminating Pink Glow. I'm going to mix a little bit of it with my tinted moisturizer. This is great because this illuminating balm already has moisturizer in it. So when I'm getting ready in the morning, that's my moisturizer, my primer, and my lit from within glow. So now I'm just mixing the products together, and then I'm going to put it on just like I would my regular lotion. I like this because it's going to create that beautiful glow on my skin, and it's giving me a little bit of coverage as well. So because I'm creating this really beautiful base, when I go in and add my foundation, you're going to really see that glow from within. And it's going to look super natural, like it's coming from my skin. To create a beautiful, really lit glow, we also need to be really bright. So for me, I definitely want to tackle the darkness under my eye. So I'm going to use the Hydrating Eye Cream. I love this product because it's anti-aging, it's hydrating, so it's going to give me that hydrating glow, and it has a built-in makeup primer. So for me, this is great for day because it's really everything I need all in one step. And you just want to lightly tap it under the eye. I'm going to go in with the corrector. I'm using more of a peach bisque color because the darkness under my eye is a little bit more pink. And then I'm just going to use my ring finger to lightly tap out the edges of the product. But you guys can see I already have a really pretty glow going on. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the concealer. So this is more my skin tone correct color. So this is just going to add that highlight and brightening. Bring it down a little bit farther. And when you have the correct color, it's going to blend right into the skin. So now that I've created this beautiful glow, I'm going to go back in and add my foundation. My favorite one to use is a foundation stick. I put it where I have the most unevenness, so anywhere I have a little bit of red or pink. And you can see how easily it's gliding on now that I have that really pretty, beautiful glow base. Then I use my favorite foundation brush. This one is amazing because it instantly buffs the product into the skin, so I really don't have to work very hard to blend it. So now that I've perfected the base for my Lit From Within glow, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with a little bit of setting powder just to make sure it lasts. What I don't want to do though is take away the beautiful glow that I've created. So I'm going to use our Nude Finish Illuminating Powder. This one is awesome because it's hydrating and it still has a little bit of a glow. So when I set everything, it's going to keep that soft, hydrated finish to it. This one's great too because I can use it all over the face. I went and I used a lighter one to set my under eye, and now I'm just going to swirl it so I can place it all over. I'm going to concentrate it a little bit more in the areas where I don't want to have too much shine and leave my cheeks and down the center of my face with a little bit more glow. So now that everything's set, I feel like I need a little bit of warmth in my skin. Not only do I like a glow, but I prefer to have a little bit more of that sun-kissed bronze glow. We have a lot of beautiful highlighting powders at Bobbi Brown, but I'm going to show you guys my two favorites. So highlighting bronze is the first one I'm going to start with. I'm going to use this with the sheer powder brush just to create a little bit of warmth on my skin. So on the outer edges of the face, anywhere if you're at the beach or out in the sun that the light would naturally hit you, is where you really want to apply the product. And I'm going to put a little down the center and then a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I like to put a little bit on the Cupid's bow. I feel like it gives you a little bit more of a plumped look and makes your lips look really nice and full. Now that I'm nice and bronzed and glow, I feel like I need a little bit of a pop of color on my cheeks. So again, I'm going to use the Coral Brightening Brick. So it's going to really complete the look of our Lit From Within glow. This one, again, it's nice because it has the bronze tones, blush color, and brightening tones. I'm using the same sheer powder brush. This time I'm just going to apply a little bit on the apples. I already have that bronze glow in the whole area, so I'm really going to concentrate this more just on the center. This one's awesome too because it does have a little bit of that bronze tone in it as well, so just going to continue that really sun-kissed look that I like. So I feel like this Lit From Within look wouldn't be complete without adding a fun summer color. I'm going to use one of our Luxe Lip shades. This one is called Pink Nude. It's one of my favorites. Just so you know, I want to really focus on the skin and the glow that I've created. I don't want my eyes or lips to really take away from that. So I'm choosing something really natural that's just going to enhance my natural lip tone. This one's great too because it gives amazing coverage, but it feels super creamy and rich on the lips. And why not, since we're doing highlight and glow, I'll pop just a little bit of our shimmering lip gloss in the center. This one is Citrus. It's one of my favorites. It has kind of a peachy pink tone to it. And that completes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about one of my favorite bronze glow looks to really create that perfect natural lip from within glow.